Do you ever feel like time is just slipping away? You start the day with big plans, but somehow it's 6 p.m. and your to-do list looks untouched. It's not laziness. It's not a lack of ambition. It's a deeper battle between distraction and discipline, between what you want to do and what you actually do. If you've ever said, "I just don't have time," this video will change how you think. Because time isn't the enemy. Rather, the lack of clarity, intention, and structure is the real enemy. Let's talk about 10 powerful time management techniques that don't just help you do more. They help you become more. Number 1. Time is energy, not just hours. You don't need more hours. You need better energy management. Think of your day in 3 parts. 8 hours of work, 8 hours of rest, 8 hours of freedom. This is the 8-8-8 rule, a powerful time and work trick. When you honor this balance, you stop living in burnout mode and start working with your biology. Time mastery begins with knowing your energy patterns. Number 2, know the cost of saying yes. Every yes you give is a silent no to something else. Saying yes to distractions equals saying no to your goals. Time management starts with prioritizing what truly matters. Not everything is urgent. Not everyone gets unlimited access to you. If it doesn't align with your values or your vision, you're not being rude by saying no. You're being strategic. Number 3, time blocks over to-do lists. To-do lists feel productive, but without a plan, they're just stress on paper. Instead, try time blocking, one of the most proven effective strategies. Assign chunks of time to specific tasks. Don't just write "work on project." Block certain time to only do that. It creates urgency. It creates focus. It's how you get more done in less time. Number 4, the 2-minute rule. Small tasks pile up because we overthink them. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Reply to that email, file that document, send that text. This tiny trick removes mental clutter, builds momentum, and helps you overcome procrastination before it builds power. Number 5, win the first hour. The first hour of your day sets the tone for the rest of it. Don't give it away to Instagram or emails or news. Use it for you. Think, plan, move your body, write, meditate. Number 6, eliminate decision fatigue. Every small decision drains mental energy. What to wear, what to eat, when to work. Remove friction. Build rituals. Automate the basics. Protect your focus for what truly matters. That's how you stop wasting time and start winning. Number 7, break big tasks into micro wins. Work on your dream sounds inspiring, but also vague, overwhelming. Instead, write 300 words. Send 1 pitch email. Learn for 30 minutes. These micro wins keep your brain engaged, and they build real, lasting momentum. Number 8, use deadlines, even fake ones. Want to actually finish things? Give yourself a deadline, even if it's artificial. Your brain responds to urgency. No pressure equals no movement. Set a timer, pick a date, start the countdown, and watch how focused you become. Number 9, rest is productive. Burnout isn't a badge of honor. Rest isn't weakness. Rest is strategy. You can't maximize time if you're running on fumes. Take breaks. Sleep well. Step back. Your output will multiply when your mind is well fed. And lastly, review your week every week. Most people don't know where their time is going. That's why they always feel behind. Take 15 minutes every Sunday. Review. What worked? What didn't? What will I improve? This habit creates self-awareness, and self-awareness is how you master time, instead of time mastering you. You don't need to work harder. You need to work wiser. Time is the one thing you don't get back. So don't just count your hours. Make them count. Every moment is a choice, distraction or intention, delay or action, noise or clarity. You already have the time, and now it's time to take it back. This is 7D Mindset. Think deeper, see broader, grow wiser. Subscribe to the channel for weekly insights that help you think in dimensions. Let's reset together.